as you can see, there is no more snow in Maina. Only lasted a day, but we did pick the right day to come up here. So that is great for us. So keep an eye on those snow forecasts if you want to see the snow. We're about to head off. Just let me get inside. Yeah, we're about to head off to Deloraine because our Skylight that we ordered, the better one, has arrived in Deloraine. So excited to get this on. I mean, our fix actually worked. If you've missed that, our Skylight got ripped off. So what we've done to do a quick fix is put a board on top of the Skylight hatch, wrapped in Glad wrap, and then we put a tarp over the top, secured it with a strap, and it seems to be holding, doesn't it? But we just need to get that fixed, and we ordered a new Skylight. It's a better one. It's from a caravan. It's a caravan one, sort of, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, so that one is sitting waiting for us, and I think Tim's going to install it while we're away. Well, I'm away. Well, we're away. Also, in other news, if you missed the last few episodes, the van was having trouble with boost. Tim's had a thorough look at it. We can't find anything wrong with it. As far as a quick look can give you. So we've booked it back into Burnie. We're going to see our friend Heath once again. But I think it's worth it because he's got one of those, what do you call them? Readers, yeah. To plug it in, have a look to see what's wrong with it. And as you saw from last few episodes when I was up there, he is very quick. I'm hoping he'll come out and tell us exactly what's wrong with it, and it'll be fine. But that means that we're going to have to come all the way back up to Burnie at some point. We've booked it in next week. But we'll bring you along and let you know what's wrong with the van in case you've got one of these and you have similar issues. At least then maybe it's something else that you can check for once we find out what it is.
Yeah, if we get it fixed relatively quick, maybe we can head down the west coast and show you some of those really nice beach campsites down there that we hadn't actually got to.
The west coast? I thought we were going to go down south.
I know, but like...
Oh, I can't.
By the time you're back... And then we're up there. We've got about 2 weeks before I go away working again.
Yeah. So the plan was we were going to go down south, wasn't it? To Gordon and all that. But considering we have to come up to Burnie, yeah, maybe it might be a west coaster. Anyway, that's a conversation for another time. Let's just get this Skylight so we've got it in our hands, and so we can trip over it for the next few days.
Well, you've only got to trip over it for the next 24 hours.
Well, you've got to trip over it for another couple of days.
Well, I'm hoping to get it done maybe Sunday.
That's the problem when you get parts of the van. You got to find somewhere to actually put the thing.
Yeah, it's a big parcel.
We're going to be moving it around.
The issue I'm going to have is weather. So like, I need it to be calm, not too
or an
windy.
undercover area to work on, I suppose.
Yeah, I suppose I could find somewhere undercover. Just find a highway.
Where's the Bunnings that you had underneath? Is that down in Hobart?
That was Adelaide.
Oh.
That would have been perfect.
Yeah, oh well. All right, let's get going anyway. I forgot we're getting Jimmy's.
The perfect on-road snack.
Yeah. There's one thing we like getting here is the dim sims. As you know, every time we come here, we get dimmies. It's just part of our ritual, and we're leaving here, and it's 10:30ish. It's late enough, isn't it? Normally we wait till midday, but we've got to get going, and we want the dimmies, so it is what it is. If you haven't tried the dim sims here, guys, get a couple. You won't regret it. While we're here in Deloraine, I think we might get a couple more things that we're after. One thing I'm after, if anyone has an iPhone 17, you'll know what I mean. You can't put it down anywhere because the back of it, the new designs, they jut out a bit. Yeah. So you can't place it down anywhere. Even though I've got protection, I've got lens covers, I have a cover for the iPhone, it still juts out and still scratches. So we need to have some sort of either a placemat or a sock.
A sock thing.
A phone sock. And what was else? We're going to come in here and get something else, don't we?
Oh, well, we've got to get all our post, obviously. I'm trying to think. Yeah.
I gotta think what it was. Gone out of our heads, but there was a couple of things we're getting in Deloraine. I can't remember. Was it weights?
Oh, no, we've got to get Kmart for that.
We'll have a think about it.
We do need food, but that's
We're not
not
gonna
today.
get that now. Yeah. I truly don't understand why no one makes the bone sock. Can't find one anywhere. What is the deal with it?
I don't know.
Surely other people have this issue.
Obviously, not a demand.
It should be. Alright, let's get a post. Let's get moving.
Hello. This is, please.
Now here we have the Aussie Traveller Skylight in its box, but my question is, how the heck, it's quite big, how are we going to dance around this all night?
We've got to dance around it one day. That's all
Are you going to put it up?
I'll put it on in the next couple of days when you get to days like this, it'll be alright.
Yeah, I can't believe, yeah, I guess it would be that big. It just seems huge.
Yeah, it's 500 by 700. It's just a big old hatch. Doesn't take up any space at all.
Yeah, I mean, it's huge. That's what I mean. Like, you don't have a lot of room in there.
Oh, the compact fit.
Oh, wow.
You can still get up the side.
Yeah.
Don't know what you're worrying about.
Not only did we get the Skylight, but we got new stickers. They came out a little bit smaller than we wanted, but see, it's got out. If anyone hasn't noticed, on the end of the episodes, you would have noticed. If you've been watching them all the way through, you would have noticed a new little Tassie logo with the Sand Van Usual Fun Adventure. But you'll also see the Tasmanian, because we're going to be here for so long. We thought we'd make little Tasmanian ones up as well. Cute, eh? Got a new mount. Testing to see if it works. So it's just one of those car mounts that has a MagSafe back on it. You can see us, right? It's not. We haven't centered it properly, but
Yeah,
you probably can't see. You probably need to move over slightly.
I reckon I'm in shot.
You reckon?
Yeah, I reckon so.
But yeah, it's pretty impressive. You can take it apart and move it around, and yeah, I'm impressed with that because I've got a cheap one. I didn't get the expensive one, so it's not bad for a cheap one.
Not too bad.
Beauty. All right, we are on our way to Hobart now, guys. We may stop at Oatlands for a shower. We'll see how we go.
Yeah. Well, I need a shower. You've already showered.
I've already showered this morning, but yeah, you will need a shower.
The showers were full when I went, so I couldn't go to them. So next stop, Oatlands. Wow. Yeah, via a dump point as well.
Fun for you. Fun
joy.
for us. You can't see the window wipers now, guys. There's nothing.
It's the shadow of the van.
Yeah, that's it. Just having a pit stop at the thing, and I thought we couldn't get into the Maltesers because of...
Hey. It was like, oh, we can't get the Maltesers.
We're just stopping having a cup of tea, and we got some snacks for the trip. We're only going for like how long have we got to go? An hour?
Maybe hour and a half actually.
Is it?
Yeah, because we're stopping at Oatlands and then it's another
Oh
hour from
yeah.
there,
Hello, Pablo.
so. We're only just outside Camel Camp.
Yeah, this is where I stopped to run the car when I was going to Hobart. I think you'll find that it's a bit longer. So I thought it was. I found that it was quite long from here.
Yeah, maybe it is.
Right. Maybe it's a couple of hours. I can't remember. Anyway,
Fun adventure.
we have food. We were going to get food in there, but it's quite expensive. Those shapes were $5, which not too bad.
They're usually $3.50 in normal shops, but they
Yeah.
went $6.90.
I don't know. The sandwiches did not have a price on them, so we didn't buy any of those. And a slice of pizza was $6.50. No, $4.50.
$4.50
For a slice of pizza. So we thought, oh, we'll just make food in the van. A lot cheaper.
Yeah.
We're done here. Let's go.
Let's carry on snacking.
We'll see you when we get down there, guys. Guys, guys, what a horrendous time we've had.
No.
I expected,
Just
it is, I expected to be down here like at about 1 o'clock. It is now 7:30 p.m. Although we have eaten and yeah, we have now new furniture up at the front. And so we're all piled in the back. That looks pretty good down there. Let me turn you around. Look at that. Look at it. And there's my spot right there. See it? How crazy did that look down there?
I have my hopper.
I'm on my way. Hold on. Hold
And
that
we have
thought.
your exhale.
Alright, let me in. Pablo, you're going to have to move, fella.
Welcome. Squeeze.
Welcome to our life. Fitting in our little area at the back here at night time is always a challenge.
It's a bit of a squeeze, but it's cosy.
It's alright if one of the three of us aren't here. But when the three of us are here,
You're saying I've got to go.
it's a little bit challenging.
And I must admit, when you're away, this place seems massive.
I know.
It's fantastic for one person.
It is one person in a chi, fantastic. Two people in a chi, challenging. Doable.
It's not challenging. You just got to know your space.
I find it challenging.
You've got to know your space.
You got to know your space, and you got to read the room if the other person's trying to do something. But anyway, guys, let's get into this evening. We're just going to have a chill night tonight. We're going to continue this vlog over into the morning because I'm flying to Brisbane in the morning, and you're coming with us to the airport. But tonight we are having our hoppers because it's Trent night. It's Friday night, and the first one that we have here is the mango hops one.
Oh, I like that one.
Yeah. If you're new here, guys, we actually drink Hopper and Exhale, which is made by the same company. And I'm not drinking for the entire year. So this helps me out with that because when we have one of these, it makes you feel relaxed. And even if you have one of these out at a party, I think you'd actually feel like you're part of the crowd, you know?
Yeah, they look beery.
They look beery. These ones here taste like it's like a beer replacement. They taste a lot like beer with little flavours added to them. These ones here, Exhale, are more of a sparkling wine substitute. And I find I like these a little more than the beer ones. But I like either, to be honest. So cheers. I'm having the strawberry yuzu. I don't even think you've had this one before. Have I had the strawberry yuzu before? I don't think I have. Let's have a taste of this one. Maybe I should have got glass. I haven't had a drink.
Yeah, it's just smashed.
That is great. I absolutely love that. I don't think I had this one before. Maybe I haven't. I just have a taste of that. I love that. What a great flavour. Isn't it nice? If you don't know, these drinks have L-theanine in them, and that's what gives you that sort of relaxing feel. And it's so worth it. I love it.
And you can drive on it.
And you can drive.
I don't actually drink at all, so that's perfect. You know, I can socialise with you and enjoy the evening without having to drink fizzy drinks all the time, like Coke and.
Also, did you know that when you're in a van, because you have your keys on you, you can't actually be over 0.05? Grab yourself some hopper, guys. It's probably worth it. So we're going to watch Vanlife Gamer tonight, and I haven't even got it up on the screen. Let's find out which one we're watching. Oh, this was the chainsaw one. The chainsaw man is out and going to get me and my idiot friends. Sounds good. Let's watch that. See you in the morning, guys.
Oh, is he going to be in the cornfield? Oh. Oh no! A chainsaw?
Good morning, everyone. I'm off to Brisbane today. We spent the morning just packing my bags and stuff, and we left just to go to the toilet. I thought, oh crap, we haven't filled in the guys. So at the moment, we're just trying to figure out Netflix because I need to download some shows, and it won't let me download any shows because I think you've got some shows. Anyway,
I've removed them all.
Oh, you've removed them all?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll try now.
Yeah, maybe I'll let you do that.
But yeah, Netflix changes all the time, and every time it's like, you can't download a certain amount of shows if you've downloaded too many on another device. This doesn't make any sense because once it's downloaded, it's yours, isn't it? Anyway, that's about it. Let's say good morning to the fella. We'll bring him up the front as well for the drive. Good morning, Pablo. Pablo, we're travelling, mate. You're going to have to come up the front. Not interested, eh? He cares not. The first stop I have to make though is, well, I'm going to Brisbane and I need sunglasses. And mine broke just this morning.
The screw's fallen out somewhere and it's in here and there's no chance of finding it.
There's no way we're going to find that. So we're going to go down to, I just buy cheap ones because I sit on them and lose them. And also I have expensive ones. They don't come out very often. They only come out when I want, oh my gosh, the sun. They only come out when I want to actually, you know, look the part. Like in a nice dress or something like that.
Yeah.
So we're just going to go down here to Woolies and that and see if I can pick up a cheap pair of sunnies for the trip because I'm going to need it. All right, Netflix sorted. You just had to delete some stuff off yours.
Yeah.
Is this even open yet? Oh, it is. Sunglasses. I don't think there's sunglasses in here, but there is heaters. We're thinking of getting an electric heater. Because
spare one,
yeah. Just realised I've never seen sunnies at Woolies, so we're going to the servo across the way.
Yeah, do umbrellas.
They will have sunnies. No, I was thinking. Alright guys, I've got a petite face, so I'm not sure how these actually look because I couldn't really see, but I need a set.
Oh, they look alright. Yeah.
They look like a fly.
You don't look like a fly, you're fine.
What do you think, guys? They're polarised. $30. They'll do.
They do. They'll have to do.
Let's push that off. Well, that is me. I'm off to Brisbane to see my mum and get my teeth
Finished.
They've still got little notches on them. You
The
probably
last
noticed.
bit
I'm
of
not
the
sure.
treatment be done.
Yeah, the last of the treatment, they'll be off and I'll be free from going back to the dentist all the time. But yes, I will leave you with Tim. He's going to do the dailies. Good luck.
For the next couple of days.
We're all counting on you. Alright guys, I will see you in a few days. You will see Tim tomorrow.
Bye.